Hello folks, my name is Craig Stevens. I'm with the MarineMax down in North Key Largo. And I'm here today to show you the brand new model called the 277 Scout, which replaced the former 275. It's a beautiful boat. It actually changed. What's the difference about the 275 and the 277 is back here in the transom. They removed the former, what they call the wave gate, which is the seat that folded down in the back, and replace that here with a entry from this side as well as this. And for this being on a 28-foot boat, it's fantastic. So, look at this. So come on aboard. Okay, as I mentioned, it now has a different kind of a seat back here. This pulls out like this. They relocated just one live well over here on this side. And then this is now your walk-through door. Your walk-through door over here. Like all Scouts, you're gonna see a swim platform that covers both sides. So no matter where you dock it, you got a way to get on and off the boat from a dock. All right. This remains the same, which is your beautiful leaning post and seat and leaning post combination with a live well here as well, so that makes two. And then there's a pull-out cooler in the bottom, which is, you notice, a Yeti brand. You didn't lose any fish boxes. So as you'll see, you have them on both sides, port and starboard. And then a beautiful helm. And we typically equip them with the optional 12-inch Garmin GPS screen. We also have integrated into these is going to be your digital touch buttons to operate everything, but you didn't lose your manual switches in that process. So you have both. Just a redundant way to control everything. Okay? Let's move forward. And here you'll see a full flushable head. You see storage for your table and your table leg. You see electronic switching. Right there it says electronic switching. So what that is a really key fob, nice key fob system, kind of like you use for your car, but you press the button, it'll turn all the batteries on. Press it again, it'll turn them all off. As you move forward, you'll see U-shaped seating here. But this is the bracket here where the table slides in. You have integrated backrest, cup holders, and board, an anchor windlass retrieval system with pedal remote. So you just, as you're standing up here and you're bringing it in, you just step on and raise or lower it on these sides. I wanted to thank you for joining me through the walkthrough of the new 2020 Scout 277 LXF.